Hello everybody. It is time for another SuperManual update. Just before we get into it, if you would like this update, all you have to do is bump your version number in your dashboard to 0.55 and the launcher will take care of the rest. There's a couple of things to show you today, some small and some very, very big. Let's start with the small. So in your menus, we have these headers. The intention's always been to add tooltips to make it easier to navigate. So we have done just that. Instead of having to activate each part of the menu to see what they correspond to, all you got to do is hover over the top and it will tell you in the header here. So you can see, and that is reflected across all of the menus, as you can see. Makes it far easier to navigate. Yeah, well, we've got the actions menu open. On to the next thing. We have a new action and modifier pair, and that is the receive message and send message modifier. Now these can be used to trigger events from afar. So let's just set up an example here. Let's change the sky from a nice bright sunny day to, yeah, let's go to hell. So we just set up a simple gaze. Make it a little bigger. Make sure that it's influencing the send message action or modifier. And just so we've got something to look at when we trigger this, let's just put a simple cylinder in the scene. Grab that, make sure it's connected and it's influencing. We'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, close the menu. Then if I go into visitor mode, let's move him back a little bit. If I go into visitor mode, I'll stare at this cylinder. You can see it triggers the action from afar. Now, last but not least, let's clean up some of this. We have support. Let's just use the card. We have support for video. Oh, that's a bit big. Let's just shrink that a little bit. Now at the moment, there are no playback controls, but we have support for MP4. And these videos can be assigned to any object in the scene or triggered to appear using the video action. Alright, that's it for this update. Thanks for tuning in.